What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your RockNGo 800 rechargeable portable speaker. As you can see, it comes with the speaker itself, a wireless remote, and a power adapter to charge your speaker. The wheels on the bottom with the retractable handle makes traveling with this speaker a breeze, along with the handles on top that help you carry the speaker. Now if we take off this rubber padding on the top of the speaker, you'll see we have 1/4 inch inputs for a microphone or a guitar. So to connect the microphone to the speaker, I'm going to need a female XLR to 1/4 inch cable. I'm going to take the female end and plug it right into my mic. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug it into the 1/4 inch mic input. So next we're going to press the mic volume button to adjust the volume of our microphone, which we're going to do with the main wheel here. And you'll know you're adjusting the overall volume when it just reads U on the LCD screen. So now if I turn on my microphone, you should hear my voice coming out of the speaker. You can also add an echo effect to your voice by pressing the echo button here and using the wheel in the middle to adjust the echo. And so now my voice has an echo effect. Now to connect a guitar to the speaker, I'm just going to take a 1/4 inch cable. I'm going to take one end and plug it right into my guitar. Then I'll take the other end and plug it into the 1/4 inch guitar input. So next I'm going to raise the guitar volume knob here on my speaker. Then I'll raise the volume here on my guitar. So now if I play my guitar, you should be hearing it coming out of the speaker. So you can have your guitar and your microphone plugged in at the same time, which makes for a great setup for street performances, low-key jams, and much more. Now another really cool feature is the record button here. So when you have a USB flash drive plugged into the speaker, you can record anything coming through your microphone input right into the USB flash drive. So you can plug either your guitar or your microphone into the mic input, hold down the record button to start the recording process, turn on your microphone and start recording whatever you want to record. Check 1 2, check 1 2, I'm recording right now, check 1 2. Then we can press the record button again to stop our recording and use the playback section to hear back whatever we just recorded. Check 1 2, check 1 2, I'm recording right now, check 1 2. What's also really cool is that this creates a new folder on your USB flash drive, so you can plug it into your computer and access the files there. Also worth mentioning that the echo effect can be recorded on your guitar or voice. We can also use the music playback section to pause, play, go back, or go forward in tracks. We can also do this on the wireless remote along with other features, including the ability to affect the overall EQ with the bass and the treble buttons. We can also change the source we're playing from with the mode button. We can also record onto our USB drive with the record button along with going through the different files over here. There's also a mute button and the power button to turn the speaker off. And lastly, we can adjust the volume of the speaker with the volume button. There's also many different ways we can play music through the speaker, including the aux cable input so we can connect MP3 devices, the USB input like we mentioned before, and the speaker also has Bluetooth compatibility so we can connect any smartphone or tablet. To do that, we're going to press the mode button to switch the speaker to Bluetooth mode. Then we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings of our smartphone or tablet, search for the device that reads RockNGo 800, click on it to pair, and you'll hear that sound letting us know our devices have connected. So let's hear how the speaker sounds. Yeah, sounds good. Oh yeah. So with your Bluetooth device connected to the speaker, you can go into the YouTube app and search for any karaoke version of a song and be able to sing along with the lyrics while your music's playing through the speaker. You can also use the same approach to look up instrumentals or backing tracks while you have your guitar plugged in and start playing along and practicing. There's also the mic priority mode, which will lower the music playing through your speaker as you talk into your microphone, which is really good for making announcements or speeches. You can turn this feature on and off using the mic priority button right here. So as music's playing through your speaker in mic priority mode, I can turn on my mic and start talking, check 1 2, and you'll hear the music lower as I make my speech and announcement. Check 1 2, everybody. Your table is ready. Please sit down. Another really cool feature is the TWS or True Wireless Stereo connection, where you can pair two RockNGo 800s together so you can hear your music in stereo. So we're going to start by pairing our Bluetooth device to our first speaker here. To do that, I'm going to go into the Bluetooth settings of my smartphone or tablet, search for the device that reads RockNGo 800, click on it to pair, and you'll hear that sound letting you know our devices have connected. So now we're going to turn on our second speaker and switch it to Bluetooth mode. Next, we're going to go back to our first speaker and press the TWS button so that it reads BTST on the LCD display. And when you hear that sound, you'll know both speakers are connected. So next we can raise the volume knobs on both speakers. And now we can play some music and hear it through both speakers. Oh my god, that's crazy! Sounds so good, there's so much bass! Oh my goodness! Now, one important thing to note is that the TWS function only works for your Bluetooth device and playing music, so you won't be able to connect your microphone and guitar through one speaker and have it played through both speakers. And last but certainly not least, we have the LED buttons on top here that we can use to activate the LEDs. This will help your speakers stand out as they go through different color cycles, and also as it interacts with the music you're playing, your microphone or guitar that's plugged in, and much more. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RockNGo 800 10-inch rechargeable portable speaker. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.